Welcome to the C# practical session. In this video, we will discuss the factorial of a factorial program in C#. Before going to the factorial program, I will discuss the definition of the factorial. The factorial of n is the product of all positive integers in descending order. For example, I have a number that is the 4. The factorial of 4 is 24. How? Just make multiplication in descending order. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So, check the answer here. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 into 1 is 24. So, no factorial of 4 is here 24. The factorial is denoted by the symbol this. Okay. Here this is called as the factorial of 4. This is called as the factorial of 4. Okay. Suppose you want to find the factorial of 5, just multiply the numbers in descending order. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here check the result. 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120. Okay, 120 into 1 is 120. Here the factorial of 5 is 120. So, we need to write the program to find the factorial of n. Okay. So, here is the code. Here I am importing the namespace, the system, with help of the using keyword, because the console class is available in the system namespace. This is necessary to import the system namespace because the console class is available in system. We are using the console class in this program, so we need to import the system namespace. Next, the class factorial example, which is in public. Next, inside the class factorial, we have the main method, which is static, and I am passing the arguments, string arguments to the main method. It will be useful for the command line arguments. I will explain this in later session about the command line arguments. Next, I have declared the integer variables. First one is I, second one is fact. I have assigned one to fact variable, and third one is the number. Next line is console.write enter any number. I am just displaying a message, enter any number with help of this console class. If you want to display the message, you have to use the write method or write line method. Suppose you want to take the input from the keyboard, you have to use read line method. Both methods are available in console class, and console class is available in here system namespace. Okay. Next is I am reading the input through the keyboard with help of the readline method, console.readline, and whatever you will read from the keyboard, that will be the string. We need to convert into a number because number is of type integer. With help of the convert class, we are just converting the value, string value, into a integer. The values are same, but there is change in format, string to integer. Okay. Next, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number I plus plus. Loop will start from the 1. Why? Because if you start from the 0, then fact value will be the always 0. So, we need to start from 1. So, this is a very important note to remember. Next, inside the for loop, fact equal to fact into I. Okay, so this operation will be performed until the condition become false. Okay, suppose you entered the 10, then the value of number is here 10. Okay, then I plus and fact equal to fact into I. The loop will run until the condition become false. Next, console.write factorial of a number is fact. Here, suppose you enter 10, then value of number is 10. The factorial of 10 is the value of the fact. Suppose you enter the number 4, then factorial of 4 is the value of fact will be the 24. So the complete message is factorial of 4 is 24. Okay. Now I will move to the Visual Studio. I will just close. I will reopen it. Visual Studio. Okay. I will choose new project. I will choose console application. By default name is console application 3. I will change it to Factorial 3. Next location is F drive and solution name is Factorial 3. Okay. So here the namespaces using system. First what I will do is, I will remove these all unnecessary namespaces. We need only using namespace because the console class is available in the system namespace. Okay. Next namespace Factorial, and inside the namespace Factorial 3 we have the class program. Inside the class program we have the main method. Okay. Next I will create the variables int I comma fact equal to 1. I will assign 1 to fact variable and the variable number. Okay. Next I will print the message with help of the console class. Console dot write line enter any number. Next I will read the value for number variable with help of the readline method. Convert dot to int console dot readline. Here for printing the message you have to use the write line method, and for the reading the input from the keyboard we need to use the read line method. Write line for the printing the message and read line for the reading the input from the keyboard. Both the methods are available in console class, and console class is available in here system namespace. Next I will use for loop I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number, and I plus plus. Okay. Inside the for loop fact equal to fact into I, fact into. Next console dot write line factorial of plus number plus is is plus value of fact. Next, console dot readline. Okay, we have done with the program. I will repeat once again. This is the namespace system, and the user defined namespace Factorial 3, and class program. Inside the Factorial 3 namespace we have the class program and main method. I have declared the variables of int. First one is I, second one is fact, and third one is number. I have assigned value 1 to fact variable, and next line is console.writeLine, enter any number. I am just displaying the message with help of the writeLine method, which is available in console class. Next, I am reading the input from the keyboard with help of the readLine method, and readLine method is available in console class. Whatever you will enter through the keyboard, that will be the string. We need to convert into the integer because the number variable is of type integer. With help of the convert class, we are converting the string value into a integer. So whatever we will enter through the keyboard, that will be the string, and we need to convert into a integer. Next, for loop I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number, and I plus plus. Okay, here I value loop will start from the 1. If you start from 0, then the value of the factorial is always 0. Okay, and one more thing is you should not be go through the 0. If you go through the 1, then value will be the correct value, satisfied value. Suppose you will start from the 0, then fact value will be the always the 0. So go from the 1 value. Next, fact equal to fact into I, and this operation will be run. Loop will be executed until this condition become false. Okay. Next, I am just printing the value of factorial with help of this writing method. Console dot writeLine factorial of number. If you enter the number 10, then the value of number is the 10. The factorial of 10 is the value of here the fact. Suppose you enter the 5, the factorial of 5 is equal to the value of fact, means the 120, right? The factorial of 5 is 120. The complete message is the factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, I am just printing the factorial of 5 is the value of fact means 120. Okay. Next, I am reading the content with help of the console.readLine method. Okay. Save the program. I will run the program first. Enter any number. I will enter the 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. Let me check. Yes, the factorial of 5 is 120. Okay. Next, I will enter 4. The factorial 4 is 24. Right. We'll just next I will check. Factorial of 3 is 6. Right. I will check the factorial of 10. The factorial of 10 is 3,62,000. Sorry, 36,20,800. Okay. So this is about the factorial of number. How to find the factorial of number. Thank you. Thanks for the watching. Stay home. Stay safe.